Hi, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 4B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today. We will provide all the answers accordingly. This question is taken from the lesson 22 and so question is what are the similarities and the differences between the various bird species mentioned and particularly regarding their behaviors, sizes and the nesting habits. So this question is basically taken from the lesson 22 and about 100 to 150 words. If you need this, contact us today. We will provide all the answers accordingly, and thank you so much for watching. And if you need this of any subject, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. We provide according to the subject, according to the your needs. Thank you so much.